Start streaming, bitch. Starting. 3, 2, and we're live. All right. Thursday, November 14th, 2019. The only Thursday, November 14th of 2019 we're ever going to have. So you know what we're going to do today? We're going to make that money.
Make that money.
Right, Henry?
Heck yeah.
Live on YouTube, and we probably have 0 followers. That's okay. Fuck them if they don't like money. All right. Let's see here. Me and Henry are both long overnight. A couple different stocks. Let's talk about yours first, Henry. What's the ticker?
SENF.
N as in Nancy?
S as in Sam. E. N as in Nancy. S as in Sam.
Okay, cents. Henry, first let's look at the daily. Why did you buy this on this dip down here?
It hit its 52-week low, and it had it dropped, I think it was 75% yesterday, and it bounced off that. I mean, it started going up after it hit 80 cents, I think it was, and just noticed that, you know, the last 5 or 6 stocks that I've seen that dropped over 50-60%, eventually within the next couple of days have anywhere from a 10 to a 30-40% bounce back. So
you're long from 81 cents, right?
Yes. I want to try to hit $1. I got to sell at $1.
How did this one get on your radar?
I have a watch list set of top losers.
Oh, okay. So you scanned for it.
Yeah.
Well, sweet.
And I look at anyone that is over 40% drop, and then I just keep an eye on them for a day or two and see what they do. Some come back right away, and some just stay down there for a long time or forever. You know, so it's just kind of a keep an eye on it. And sometimes, like I said, I mean, most of them usually have you notice it, at least a 5%, 10% bounce back right away. I mean, it's rare that they don't, but there's nothing guaranteed in the stock trading world.
Well, you're already up like 8 cents, so you're pretty much guaranteed profits right now.
Correct, yes.
Unless you somehow manage to fuck this up, which I don't think you will. So yeah, that's his long overnight. Mine is CLVS CLVS. They're up a little bit on earnings. So this is the daily chart. It's coming back. Right now we're looking at a multi-day. It's breaking out from the last 3 days, last 4 days, multi-day, multi-month breakout. So the stars are aligning as far as the daily and the intraday chart. The intraday, the daily, and the multi-day. So I'm long. Yesterday, this thing, it sold off, dipped past VWAP a little bit. When it started to bounce, I got long right here at 630. And then it squeezed up. I actually just set my risk and then went to sleep and woke up, and it was down here consolidating at its highs into the close. I've already took off half my position at 680 and do a pre-market gap up, but I look to add back. I'm thinking that right at the open, it's going to dip down towards red to green or green to red, and I will look to add right around the 650 area. 650, 655, 660. I'm going to look to add some shares for a rip back towards high day break and yesterday's high day break. Hopefully sell some in 7s, and then hopefully I can sit tight and hold for a squeeze towards 750 or 8. But let's be honest here. I say that I'll hold till 8, but probably won't. So yeah, that's the plan with that one. If this thing just rips right out from the gate, then I might add. I'm not sure. I'm not very good at like chasing the strength whenever it goes, so I might just sit tight with the shares that I have and just hang on. The other one is FCEL. FCEL on the daily chart is multi-day, multi-month breakout yesterday. God, what a perfect breakout that was over fucking like 65 cents. You got the break. You got the break over the previous high from a few days ago, and then you got the multi-month breakout. Now it's looking to. I pray this thing is top potential short right now. To be honest with you, if I could have shorted it up here in the 90s, I would be short right now. I don't think I can't short right now because E-Trade has this bullshit ass rule. They won't let you short stocks under $1. So I have orders already set at $1 that if this thing hits $1, I will be short. But I think that there's probably about a 20% chance it's going to hit $1. I think it'll get stuffed before $1 like it did last time. I was trying to short it last time. I barely missed it by like a fucking cent a couple months ago. So annoying. Got so close. Look at that. Pretty much did hit $1, but it didn't hit $1 because I had orders in ready to go. And look at that short. Went from $1 down to 50 cents in 3 days.
That was a good long for me though, because I bought it when it held over 50 cents on Tuesday. Or no, what's today? Thursday. So when's yesterday? Yesterday showed it. So Tuesday I bought it when it held over 50 cents. I got it at 54 cents, and then I rolled the wave yesterday morning and sold at 90 cents.
Oh wow! So you bought once it got over 50 cents?
Yeah. And it held. Remember yesterday? I didn't have a big position in it, but
I see it. I see it got over 50, and then it consolidated.
Yeah.
Over 50, and then it gapped up, and then you sold at 90.
Yep.
God damn, that's a hell of a trade, man.
It was in a big position, but I'll take it.
You fucking A, you'll take it, dude. You made almost 50% on your money. Jesus Christ. Oh, 100% on your money.
Almost 100%.
God damn. I wish I could do that.
We got just under 3 minutes to market open.
Oh, we're getting close, eh? So FCEL, giving it up like I knew it was going to. Hopefully it comes back and rips and squeezes. Hopefully there's motherfucking shorts out there that think that FCEL can't go to $1 and they're just piling in right now, and then the buyers come in and they push it up. And the shorts get scared and they cover and it just squeezes. Please let it squeeze to $1. So those are my top 2 potential watches right now. CLVS is the main focus for me. XNet, I missed the fucking gap down. I was shorting this motherfucker. Oh, I hate fucking XNet. I hate XNet. I was short all the way. I was shorting it from the 680s all the way down to the 6s. But then when it started consolidating, what is it doing? It's dying, isn't it? I know it's dying.
No.
Yes!
It's a big long green candle that's squeezing right now.
Oh, but once the market opens and the real volume comes in, this motherfucker's gonna. Anyways, so yeah, when XNet was consolidating on the daily chart, I didn't know if it was gonna fucking hold these gains and then squeeze back, or if it was just gonna gap down one day and die like it is right now. So actually, I'm gonna keep XNet on watch because XNet, if this thing can bounce towards the 550s, 560s, 570s, I will be shorting up here in the high fives. So that XNet staying on watch. FCEL surprising the longs. Or surprising the shorts, I should say, not the longs.
Look at that, 90 cents. Market's open.
Come on, you piece of shit. Market is open. Market is open. All right, back to CLVS. So we're going to get in a little dip. I'm going to buy here. All right, I added at 660. FCEL ripping to 92, breaking the pre-market highs. Come on, give me $1. Give me $1, and I will holler. Give me $1. You aren't nothing but a baller. Come on, FCEL. CLVS bouncing off green to red. If CVLS can't hold 650, I will be cutting the trade. Plug doing nothing. FCEL looking like it's having a tough time up here in the 90s. FCEL. I mean, it broke yesterday's high. So usually when they break the previous day's high, they usually rip. But I mean, it's going to need massive amounts of volume. Come on, man. If it can consolidate and just hold this for a minute, I think it can squeeze to $1. Give me $1, baby. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
There's 93 cents. I'm not even in FCEL, and it seems like I care more about that one than Clovis. And I'm actually in... Oh, shit. Clovis.
I just bought Clovis on the pullback, 663.
Nice entry. I got a little premature with my entry. Buyers coming in, stepping it in. Ooh. FCEL up to 94 cents. Come on. 5 more cents, bitch. 5 more cents. Please. I didn't get it last time. Give it to me this time.
I think you're going to get it. Give it a couple minutes. I think you're going to get it. It's going. It's going.
105 and 110.
You're getting 97.
It's not going to get there, Henry. It's not going to get there. Come on!
Dude, there's a lot of cells at 110, 115.
There's a lot of cells right here, Henry. Come on, man. 2 more cents. 2 more cents. And we're squeezing. We're squeezing. Nice entry, Henry, on CLVS. Way to catch that dip, dude. That's a beautiful entry, bro. Nice, nice entry. Okay.
I just sold at 691.
I'm gonna sell some too at. I think I'm gonna hold for a little longer. It's looking strong. I think I'm gonna sell at 695. Or should I just get out right now?
I sold. I'm gonna
sell.
I
sold half at 695. Come on, FCEL. One more penny, bro. One more fucking penny. Come on, FCEL. Oh, we're almost there, dude. Almost there. I should be getting a fill right now.
$1.
I'm not getting a fill. Got to $1. It hit $1. It just didn't fill me. Fuck me, man. That's bullshit, dude.
That's horseshit. That's right.
How did I not get a fill? Come on, man. Get to $1.01. I fucking... I should... You know what? Fuck E-Trade. Fuck, man. God damn it. No execution. Execution. Got no execution on my FCEL short order.
I pulled the trigger and I'm plugged. I'm in at 357 on the pullback. I'm going to risk 353.
Nope, it's dying. Damn it, dude! It touched $1 for like 2 seconds, and then it just shit. Oh man. Yeah.
Go back. I better squeeze
and
again.
I wasn't of the lucky ones. Got. Oh man, CLVS is dying right here. It's just pulling back. What do you think, Henry? Think CLVS. So CLVS pulling back to VWAP.
Yeah, bouncing right up.
So, oh man.
There's a big pullback.
Ouch. I think I might look to, whenever it has a little bounce back towards high day, I think I might look to sell the rest there. Start thinking about a short.
Yeah, you have to sell climbing back.
In fact, I'm gonna try to get a short at 690 on CLVS. You know what? I'm done worrying about FCEL. I didn't get it at $1 last time, and I don't think I'm gonna get it at $1 this time.
I think you're gonna get it. I bet you 10 burpees it goes over $1.
Let's do 20 this time. 20 burpees. It doesn't get $1. Come on, Henry. 20 burpees, Henry. You got to make a decision now.
Yeah.
All right. 20 burpees. Loser has to do 20 burpees.
All right. That hits $1 again.
Yeah. It touches $1. All it's got to do is touch $1.
All right.
Which, dude, Henry, it's going to die right here. It's going to roll over. Here, let's pull it up on the screen. That's what we're talking about. Nobody.
$1 today. Anytime today.
I think I'm going to try to short CLVS at 690. I'll be boxed in. God, I hope you're right, Henry. All right, I just got a short order. I just got a short at 685 on CLVS.
I'm glad I sold in that push. I made $380 on it.
I sold half. If this thing can't hold above 670, I'm going to get out on my long. If it pushes back, if it pushes over $7, I'll cover my short.
There's a big pullback on FCEL.
I told you so. Ooh, I can't wait to see you do those burpees. That's the only thing that's going to make me feel better about FCEL not hitting a fucking $1 is watching you do burpees.
So it'll be a win-win. If it hits your $1 to short, you win, and you get to do burpees. And if it doesn't, then you get to see me do burpees.
Yep. And I love seeing Henry struggle. Yeah, you'll crank out 20 burpees, no problem. ASTC, nice spike. ASTC. Wow. It is a nice spike.
Damn. Plug's starting to look like a good short.
Yeah, it is looking like a good short. ASTC up from $1.24 all the way to $1.72. 3.5 million in the float.
What one?
ASTC.
ASTC.
You may be right, Henry. Look at that. FCEL consolidating, holding over 95 right now. We might get a push to fucking $1. If we fucking get a push to $1, I'm gonna be so happy.
Me too.
Stop on quote. I think CLVS might be dying. I got a stop order on my long at 663. Take me out if it can't hold above this 570. That's the low. Whenever it dip below VWAP a little bit, if it can't hold that, I'm out. I am short from 685 though, so if I had to root for one side or the other, long or short, I'd rather this thing keep going long so I could short it higher. It becomes a better short. FCEL consolidating at 95 cents, but I don't think it's going to get another push in it, man. Please, I would love, dude, this would be the happiest 10 burpees if I can get it. Actually, 20 burpees. What am I saying?
20, yes. I like how it bounced off the VLAP one time and that big pullback.
I agree. I agree. We may get there, Henry. Henry. Henry, Henry, Henry. We may get there, Henry. Henry. Henry, Henry, Henry. CLVS looking pretty heavy. Tim Sykes just bought 2,000 shares of ASTC. ASTC. He bought it at $1.65. Oops. ASTC. So he bought it on that little pullback. I like it. I like that buy. Makes me want to play follow the leader. Damn it, dude! FCEL breaking down. Look at that. Look what happens whenever fucking Sykes buys. Son of a bitch pops right up.
Yeah.
He's gonna sell into that. He's already almost up 10 cents. I bet he'll sell before he gets to $1.80. He won't even watch it. I don't even think he'll hold for the breakout. Yeah, I don't. I'm surprised he's not selling right now.
It's approaching a multi-month breakout. It breaks 188, 189.
It's also approaching the 200 moving average at $2. Oh,
Big pullback.
that was a big pullback. Look at FCEL bouncing off of VWAP. I thought it was going to die right there. Come on, man. One more squeeze, bitch.
Buyers coming in. 96.
Squeeze,
Buyers are
bitch.
buying it up.
Price Sykes hasn't sold yet. I kind of want to buy ASTC right here at 170. I'm not going to though. Marty and CLVS. I don't want to get too much on my plate. Plus, FCEL 97 cents. Here we go, Henry. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let Henry be right.
I want to go 101 for you, so you at least get your fill.
Damn it. Fuck me, man. I wanted to hit 110. I got orders at $1, at $1, $1.05, and $1.10. Got short orders on all those levels, but how did I not get an execution, man? I'm done worrying about FCEL. I know that's like the third time I've said it, but uh-oh. I bet you anything Sykes is selling right here, somewhere close to $1.80. Oh, wow. $1.59. Wow, big red candle. ASTC, the one that Sykes is at. I wonder where he sold at. I know he sold. I just don't know if he sold up at the $1.80 or if he waited and now he's selling for a loss. I'm curious. I was hoping it would pop through going towards 2. I was going to try to short it at 2.
I'm going to watch it and try this dip.
He sold $1.57. Weak bounce, so I'm out with small losses. Rule number 1, cut losses quickly. Still could bounce back. Scary stock. All right, on to the next. FCEL, consolidating. CLVS, consolidating in the 70s. I kind of think CLVS is going to die here. But then again, I always think they're going to die, right, Henry?
Yes, you do.
I never believe they're going to keep going up. There we go. $1.80. If it goes up, I'll probably add if it goes up. If it gets up close to 7. I don't know why. I just think it's going to fucking roll over and die here soon. There we go. $1.83. The smart thing is to do is if it gets over 7, fucking get out of my short.
Yes.
But it's looking real heavy. And it's had a nice run. You'd think it'd be nice for this thing to get over 7 and get some extension towards 8. Man, that'd be a beautiful short then. I don't know if it's going to get there, though. The longer it consolidates, the better, though.
This is true.
Meanwhile, FCEL still holding over 95. God, FCEL reminds me of my 8th grade crush.
How's that?
Such a cock tease. Such a cock tease. Just so close to that dollar mark. Sometimes you ever feel like the stock is like fucking with you on purpose? Like if it knows what you want and you know what I mean? And it's just playing with your emotions. You ever feel that way, Henry?
All the time.
I almost put in some more, added to my short right there on CLVS at 685, but I decided not to. Because I'm practicing restraint. I don't want to get in too big too early. FCEL still holding over 95. FCEL 97. Come on, man. Every time I think it's going to go, it gets smacked down like the little bitch that it is.
A little bitch that it is.
96. It looks like it could squeeze, huh, Henry?
It does. I'm getting anxious.
Me too. And I got FOMO right now with CLVS. Oop, missed it. So I'm going to short some more because I don't think this is going to keep going. So I got a shorter at 683 and didn't get my fill. Change order. Oh, got it. I added some. 683. Maybe I should. Maybe if it gets over 690, I'll just cut the CLVS. And then I could double top at 7. But I think if it gets over 690, it'll push through 7. It's kind of an exciting open, right?
Yeah, there's a lot moving.
There was a lot moving. But now everything's consolidating. Now we're just waiting for the big moves. Last Wednesday was nice. Had that big AGRX short.
Oh yeah, I was in the dentist.
Yeah, you're in the dentist. I actually cut the live stream short before the big failure down to the low 2s. I ended up covering in like the 230s and like the I think 215. That was a nice trade last Wednesday. One of my best of the month. Yeah, huge. Massive failure. There it is. Yeah. So I was shorting. I had a 283 average. I think it was 283. Pretty sure it was, yeah, a 283 average. I was covering into that. Covered some at 265. Covered some in the 230s. And then I had to go run some errands and do some stuff. And I came back. This thing went all the way down to under $2. And when I came back, it was bouncing around over here. Ended up covering the rest the next day down here, like 215. It was a nice trade. That's where I made most of my money last week, on that one trade.
Next couple of minutes is going to be key point for FCEL, it looks like.
I don't know. Dude, it's already tried and failed twice.
I know, but it just keeps getting bought up.
See, looks like my CVL short is working out fairly decent. My long looks like it's about to get taken out, though. CLVS putting in lower lows. So it shows we have one person watching the live stream. Is that you?
Yeah, no, I'm not watching it. Oh, maybe it's. I mean, I'm not watching it. But like I'm following you on YouTube, so I don't know if that's counting that.
Oh.
If not, thanks whoever's watching.
All right, I'm out of my long. I'm out of my long on CLVS. CVL is dying. It's about to go red on the day. I'm glad I added to my short. Going red, CLVS. Where are my areas I'm going to cover at? Kind of want to cover some down here. So CLVS bouncing off of green to red. I probably should have took a little off right there. Well, I don't know, man. This thing is... Probably should hold my short for a little bit. We got some good sells up there in the 690, huh?
Yeah.
That was a nice trade. Dude, you got a beautiful entry and a beautiful sell. Got in at 653 and sold at 690. Caught that 3 minutes. Caught 40 cents in 3 minutes.
Out, and I haven't got back into it again. Take my $380 profit and be done with it. Trying to learn.
You gotta know when to quit.
Trying not to overtrade.
Yeah.
So.
That happened to me yesterday, man. I had a nice profit on the day, and I ended up over-trading and giving a lot of it back. FCEL dying. Fuck.
I think of it this way. If I was walking down the street and I found a $100 bill or $200 bill, I'll take it and be happy. I wouldn't expect to run into another $100, $200 bill again.
So what I did was, if I was walking down the street and I found a $100 bill, and then I decided to go make change and give half of it to the guy standing on the side of the street. Here you go, bro. Have fun with this. CLVS about to go red on the day. I'm thinking about covering some right here at the red to green move, because it looks like it's wanting to hold. Covered a little bit. I only covered 1/3. Oh, there it goes. Snap on FCEL. Hopefully they come back and save it. They might save it. I mean, it's kind of wishful thinking, but I highly doubt they're going to save it.
This is only the second day of this stock. The last time it ran to over $1, it was like a 4 or 5 day event. And tomorrow's Friday. It ain't over yet, I don't think. I'll be surprised.
Henry's such a believer. No, Henry. This thing does not like $1. It's like a fucking magnetic pole pushing against it. Damn it, man. I fucking hate E-Trade. Oh well.
I took a chance. I got 1,000 shares at $341 on plug.
Plug. Let me pull the chart up. Plug.
Okay. Got a big pullback. Consolidated. Now it's starting to make higher lows.
So Henry is buying at the. You realize that you bought at what price? $341. You realize you bought it right next to the green to red, right?
Yep.
So that's actually a good spot to buy. Plus, there's consolidation from yesterday. It might come back.
I'm going to keep my risk pretty tight. What's 335, 336.
So if it goes red on the day, you're out.
Yeah.
Yep. That's a good trade plan.
See that? The bottom tail was 335. So if it breaks that, I'm out.
Got it. See it right here. Got it.
341. I'm hoping to get. Man, if it could get back up to I'd be selling in the 360s. So.
So Henry wants to sell somewhere close to high a day, correct?
Yeah. Excuse me. Yep. I'll probably sell half if it gets me about 10 or 11 cents, and then I got 1,000 shares and write out the other 500 to see if it can break high a day. And your FCEL's climbing back. It's not over yet. It's putting up a fight.
I mean, it is putting up a fight. I mean, look, yesterday they saved it.
Yeah, pulled back a couple times.
You know, that's a pretty massive pullback from the 90s all the way back down to 78. So you think it was going to die there, and you thought it was going to die at the end of the day. Look, at the end of the day, it crashes all the way down to the low 70s, and then they save it, and it gaps up. You're right. Maybe it could come back. Am I expecting it? No. Christ. Shit, I may not want it to get to $1. Because I have such a conviction that it's going to fail at $1 that I could potentially get squeezed.
Well, that's what they're...
If it gets over $1 and holds $1, I could get squeezed out.
Well, yeah, that's what Gratani said yesterday. He's like, yeah. I'll be real curious if it holds over $1, because then it could make a big run.
Yeah, true. CVLS, more downside, going right on the day. Boom.
I'm being squeezed by women.
Good one, Henry. Good one. Looks like we got more downside. I knew I should have piled in more up in the 680s.
Actually, I'm really hoping it hits $1 because the burpees that I lost a bet to the other day, my abs hurt. They're still a little, like when I get out of bed and I crunch, my abs I can still feel it.
Good. So imagine how 20 is going to feel.
Yeah, that's what I'm imagining.
Oh, you'll be fine. It's got all day to hit $1, okay?
That's right.
It's just got to touch $1 one fucking time.
One time.
One time.
Daddy, come on.
So my goal right now with CLVS, I'm thinking probably, I'd love to see $6.25. I don't think it'll get that low, but it might. It might. I'll probably put an order to cover around in the 630s. Maybe not, I don't know. It's going red on the day. Looking pretty bearish right now. God, that's going to be so sweet if they save FCEL. You realize FCEL is fucking garbage, right?
Yep.
I know.
I don't know if you remember, like, months ago, like, when it was in the 20 cents, I think it was FCEL, it, like, consistently would go from 20 to, like, 26, 27 cents, like clockwork. And I bought and sold it, like, 7 times in the 1 week. Just piled in at 20 cents, sold when you hit 25 cents. You buy enough shares, you only need a nickel to make a profit.
I don't know why I'm bitching about FCEL. My CLVS, I'm just fucking trading it like a goddamn savant. On the long, I caught the long, and now I'm catching the short. I'm going to cover some right here into this flush. I should hold, but I can't help but to take that money.
Take that money.
All right, got some more. Just got 1/3 of my position left. I'm going to hold this.
Money!
I'm going to put an order to cover the rest at 626. How far is it going to go down, Henry?
Well, you got me all FOMO, so I got a short at 640.
You shorted it?
Yeah.
You chased it, Henry. You chased the short.
I'm dabbling.
You got to wait for that bounce. You know what? So say it puts in a little bounce at like 654, somewhere close to the green to red. I'm gonna add back right there into that pop. We're gonna add into pops.
Add into pops.
Yep. I'm gonna put an order right now at 653. I'm gonna add. Okay, we add to winners, not losers. Right now we have a winner. Meanwhile, FCEL trying to be a superhero and come back. Everybody's talking about it in the chat room.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Some people are like, FCEL crack, it's gonna die. That's people like me, and then there's other people saying FCEL faking out the shorts. It's gonna come back, go to $1.
My FCNS long is just slowly grinding. That's at 92 cents now. I had my stop loss. I moved up to 86 cents, so I'm regardless going to make a nickel on the trade, so I can't lose. Oh, CLVS is starting to go sideways.
I got an order to cover.
Oh, there she's failing.
The last time I got an order to short more at 653, and I got an order to cover the rest at 626.
I'm going to cover at 626 too.
Henry chased it, but he's looks like he's gonna. The key is just if you're gonna chase, whether it's I think if you're gonna chase, whether you're chasing strength or you're chasing weakness, you can't overstay your welcome.
Nope.
As soon as it goes your way for a little bit, you got to get out, because this thing is gonna bounce here soon. Just a matter of at what level. And you're in at what, 644?
640.
640. We watch the level 2. See where the bid firms up. Oh. Wow, 635. The bid's firming up pretty hard. 635. A lot of buyers at 635.
Yep.
Might bounce right here at 635.
636 though.
If I was looking to buy, I'd buy right there at 635, seeing that bid firm up on the level 2. But I am not a buyer, sir.
I got back in. I sold out 640. Got it even. No loss. Nothing.
Even Steven. You can always reshort higher. Here, you can short at the red to green.
That's right. So I'm okay with that. Meanwhile, FCEL's riding the VWAP. FCEL's riding the VWAP. Riding the VWAP.
Trying to, yeah, it's hugging the VWAP. It's got to hold over 90 cents though, man. Or else I think it goes away. It unravels. Getting that bounce. CLVS. Change order. Try to get some at reduce 651. See if we can get to 651. And FCEL dying. FCEL dying. That's all good. CLVS worked out like clockwork. Caught the long. Now getting the short. Wish I had a little more size on my short, but that's okay.
I'm in long 645, going at 655.
You wanted to sell at what, 665?
55.
At the red to green line. I have an ad at 651. Two more cents.
Brian wants to get his 2 cents worth.
Having FOMO right now, I don't want to miss this bounce with my ad. So I'm just going to chase it. Alright, got my ad. 648. I don't have the patience to wait. I'm afraid it's going to reject at the 650. And I want my ad.
I just moved my stop loss up, so if it hits 645, I'll break even again.
I should have been adding right here at 665 when it bounced off of the green to red. Should have been adding right there at like 663, 662. That's okay. Let's look at the bigger picture on this thing. Could it come back? Yeah, it could. It's gonna have to consolidate though.
Consolidate, consolidate.
All right.
Stick.
So we've been going for an hour now.
Took me out, even Steven. I love it, I love it. I want some more of it. I try so hard.
So what do you think? You want to cut the live stream short right there? I think I'm done trading for the day.
Yeah, it's pretty mellowed out.
Everything's, you know, I'm going to ride my CLVS short. I got cover orders at 625.
CNS long. I'm up 10 cents right now on it, which I'm happy with. Happy, happy, happy.
Other than that, still a good day of trading. Caught that nice CLVS short. Got frustrated with FCEL, but FCEL is still holding up, so it's still got a shot at coming back and hitting that dollar.
Yep. We both made it on the CLVS. I made it on the quick spike in the morning. So did you, and then you're still riding it out.
Got some short. Other than that, might do it again tomorrow morning. We'll see. All right.
Bye, YouTubers.
Later, YouTubers. Thanks for tuning in. Try to do this every Wednesday, even though today's Thursday. But I think we might start doing it 2 or 3 times a week, especially if there's if we got good potential plays going.
Yeah, a lot of action.
Yeah, if we got some good action going, probably do it on the fly. 8:20 is usually when we go live. Thanks for watching.